Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video, I'll be giving you an insider's view of Zach Crawford's Millionaires Challenge System, or MCS. I want to give you a review because if you're like me, when you're thinking about joining something, you go to YouTube and check out the reviews and make sure that's good, right? What I can tell you is I have done a lot of product reviews on this channel, and I've had companies come to me to review their affiliate programs. And what I want you to understand is this is hands down, in my opinion, the best high-ticket affiliate program and mentoring program that I have found in 12 years online. And I'll be explaining why it doesn't matter if you failed before and how you can fix it so you can finally have success. I was able to make $4,000 in my first 30 days, and Daniel here just had a $5,000 commission 3 days ago and two $2,000 commissions yesterday, and he didn't even know who the customers were until the commissions hit his account. Now, full disclaimer, we do not guarantee that you will make any money with this program, but I'll explain why that is possible with this program and the details that you need to know to make a decision to look at the Millionaires Challenge System further. But make sure you stick around to the end because I partner with Daniel in Millionaires Challenge System, and we're offering you some exclusive bonuses. These are really incredible bonuses that you're going to get one-on-one mentoring, that you're going to get even more mentoring. I'm going to add something on top of that that's really cool. So make sure you stick around until the end for that. And also, you're going to be able to use these bonuses as your own. Can't wait to show these to you. So let's go ahead and get started right now. First of all, who is Zach Crawford? He is a $1 million earner in the affiliate marketing industry, specifically high-ticket products. And he didn't start out wanting to have an affiliate program, but his coaching students begged him to create an affiliate program because what he teaches is transformational. Again, I'll go on record to say that he is the best coach I have found, hands down, in my 12 years online. And I couldn't believe that I hadn't heard of him, but that's because he doesn't show off how much he makes, but he goes out there and helps other people have success. And so he's had a lot of people have success with this program. And some of the top marketers that have come into this program have told me, I can't believe I haven't heard of him either. But that's why. He's very humble, and he doesn't go out and just show everybody, look how great I am. He's not that kind of guy. Here's something that I want to share with you so you can understand what kind of person he is, and that he is somebody that can really help you to transform. I'm going to read what he had written in the Facebook group. My real goal is to help you kill all distractions, get clarity, and learn what it takes to build a real business that can make you 10K, 20K, and even 50K plus per month. Once you understand how a real business is built, you can start deciding what is and what isn't a good fit for you instead of joining more programs that leave you frustrated and ready to quit. And just so you know, I never created a course until I crossed over 1 million in affiliate commissions doing what I teach now. These days, people make one $10,000 a month, and they're an expert selling their own course. I never wanted to be a course creator, coach, or leader. I enjoyed my low-key life, working 2 to 4 hours a day, living in the Philippines, and making 50K plus per month. I fell into this because my students kept bugging me to create my own coaching program and an offer that they could promote. It just so happened that I found my real passion in helping others, and once you make a lot of money and you have all your needs covered, money becomes a lot less motivating to keep you working hard. I'm going to help you see clearly what it takes to create a high six-figure income in this industry. I'll help you get clarity so you can stop chasing opportunities that don't align with your goals. I will show you what all millionaires know and are doing that you're not. I will show you how to stand out from this busy marketplace and start commanding attention and getting people to purchase the products you're selling. So that's just a little bit of how he teaches, because again, as I said before, it's transformational. So as I said, the Millionaires Challenge System is a training and coaching program. It's going to teach you how to market. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer or a network marketer. It's going to help you to market any business. And one of the things that stands out for me is the simplicity of what he teaches. Pretty much every program that I came into before this program, I was overwhelmed. And let's face it, if you're overwhelmed, generally you don't do anything and you end up quitting. So if you're a beginner or an advanced marketer, you'll learn how to simplify your life and your business and avoid the overwhelm, which keeps a lot of people stuck and again quitting. So I'm not going to share with you exactly what's in all of these, but we can just click on this one right here: marketing plan, long versus short-term thinking, the secret to becoming a millionaire, start consuming and stop creating. That's the problem that a lot of people have. You spend way too much time consuming information, and he shares with you exactly how to get that mindset that you are a creator and stop consuming. And there's an internal battle going on inside of each and every one of us, how to gamify your life, crafting your vision. It's so important to have your vision of where you're going, how to get things done, and how to use Trello to organize your life. So that's just one part of it. But I would say this one right here, long-term versus short-term thinking, can change your life, because a lot of people only have short-term thinking. And if you're going to be an entrepreneur, you have to think a certain way. So this one here would be worth listening to over and over and over again. So here are some of the students that have had results, and some of these are beginners, some of them are experienced marketers. But what I wanted to point out here is my friend Jason King. Now, he is brand new to affiliate marketing, and he was in the oil industry for 30 years. And he said he was basically financially set for the rest of his life because of all the money that he made, those 30 years, the investments that he has. He never has to work a day in his life. But once he retired because he had a son, and he decided he was going to retire. And he said he was really depressed and he really was looking for something to do meaningful. So he found affiliate marketing, he found Zach, and he just wants to serve and help other people. So that tells you a lot, because most people come in because they want to make a lot of money. And of course, he does want to make money, but his main goal is just to go out there and help people. So that tells you a lot about this program. So let's talk about what else you get besides the video training. You're going to be coached by Zach every single week. Also, you're going to be coached by Surgeon. He teaches the organic Facebook marketing, which is like nothing I have ever seen before. It's not like you think Facebook marketing is. It works, unlike some of the trainings that I've taken. But you're going to be coached by Zach every single week. So he will go live, answer all your questions that you have about your marketing. And the things that he teaches on those lives is the best I've heard, because when you learn how to be a good storyteller, when you learn how to speak to your audience in a certain way, that's when you can have success. And he teaches you storytelling, he teaches you persuasion, and that's what the top marketers do, and that's why they sell a lot of products. Most people are out there teaching theory and tutorials, but when you start talking to your audience with transformational information, like changing their beliefs so that they can actually make a decision to purchase your product and they get over their limiting beliefs, that's when you can help people transform. And that's the kind of things that he teaches that work. And then you have a step-by-step plan on how to go from $0 to $100,000 per year. And then you're going to learn how to scale to a high six-figure income. Okay, so you're going to get a strategic plan on how to build a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. And again, this is like nothing I have seen taught before. And you'll also be able to become an affiliate for the program if you want to. And of course, you can promote anything that you want, but you can make $2,000, $3,000, and $5,000 commissions. And this is key, that their team will close the sales for you. So when I said that Daniel didn't even know who those customers were until the money hit his account, that's how this happened. And I'll explain how that happens too, how you can invite people to the Facebook group and it's coded to you. And then you can get sales that way as well. So most people don't want to get on the phone, so this is good, and it's not high pressure. It's people who actually want to see if those people are a good fit. You do have access to a free car program when you get a certain amount of sales per month. You can also win an iPhone, a laptop, and there's other awards that you can win. You have a custom sales funnel set up by his team in the Philippines. They also build out your email list, and Zach has follow-up messages that he's constantly adding that you can add to your autoresponder. Let me share with you exactly what that looks like. So one of the problems that affiliates have is they lack credibility. So you're going to be able to partner with Zach. So you can see here, you'll have your image here with him. And then when people opt in here, it'll take them to this page. Then it'll say that it's referred by you. And they'll watch this video, and then they can join the Facebook group. So this is what's really powerful here, is when they join the Facebook group, this will be coded to your affiliate link. So when they come into the Facebook group, they're going to get really incredible training. I'm telling you that if you come here under guides, these are the live streams that he's done. And this one right here is the one that I watched, and I joined right after that because, again, it's the best information that I have found, and I knew that he was going to be able to help me. One of the top marketers who was thinking about joining, and she was just asking me what I thought about the program. She did end up joining, and she said, I have never sat through 3 hours. I couldn't stop listening. And she's been marketing a long time, and she's like, I never heard of him either. So these are really good. He does these. You can invite people to them, the Facebook groups who watch these. And again, it'll be coded to you, and they nurture those leads as well. So when they come in, they get nurtured, those leads get nurtured. And then when they join, it's coded to you, and you get the commission. So some people come in the Facebook group, they watch the lives, they book a call, they join. You don't even know that whole process is going on. Doesn't always happen, but it takes some people a little bit longer because they want to learn more about it. But just these free trainings that he has in here are worth a lot of money, and they do it for free, and he does it for free. And then on this page here as well, there's a lot of student testimonials. You can just read through all these when you opt in, if you choose to opt in. You're also going to get, again, his proven funnels, emails, and social media posts. So that's the problem that a lot of people have, is they're like, what do I post? So you can model after his posts. You can there's all kinds of posts that you can use, and it'll help you to get a lot of engagement. It'll give you that credibility. And then again, you can be inviting people to the Facebook Lives. For example, this is the one that I posted for the live this morning. And you can see that you're able to leverage the Facebook training, and then people may join by going to the Facebook group and booking a call. The other thing that you get, again, besides the weekly coaching calls, there's 2 coaching calls a week, you have an accountability coach. Because let's face it, life happens, you need somebody to keep you accountable, and that's what's going to keep you going through the program as well. I found this to be very, very helpful, and there's a lot more things that I haven't mentioned in this review that you get with the program. So let's talk about the bonuses they're going to get if you decide to join me in Millionaires Challenge System. So I partnered with Daniel Chow, and he is in Zach's 7-figure inner circle. So you're going to be learning directly from Daniel as well, and he is the top affiliate right now. Okay, so what are you going to get if you partner with me? First thing is you're going to get this training by Daniel. The first 100K with affiliate marketing, it's a $2,000 value. That's an incredible training right there. Is 30K per month messenger training, and that's worth $997. So if you have people reaching out to you, you may not know what to say to them, so this is what he says to help people to get to the Facebook group or to get to his funnel. And then again, there's people who you may not have even known have booked a call, and you earn that commission. It doesn't always happen, but this is going to give you what you should say to people. His 20K secret strategy for MCS, because he made this, I think, within the first 2 weeks of joining. That's a $750 value. You get his 6-figure swipe file, so you know exactly what to post on your Facebook wall or to send out to your list. That's $997 value. And the last one is to leverage this bonus package, because if you're a beginner, even an experienced marketer, you may not have a bonus package. And to be able to use this is incredible, and that's a $2,997 value. You get weekly coaching with Daniel, and again, you can use this bonus as your own, so anyone that you refer to the program, they can come into his Facebook group and get their weekly coaching as well. And he tells you exactly what he does on a daily basis, so you can copy exactly what he does. That's a $5,000 value, and I've been on his lives. They're incredible, and that's a total value of $12,471. But what I wanted to do for you on top of that is I'm going to give you a professionally made banner here for your Facebook. And you can see what mine looks like here. And then you can post something like this, click the link in the bio, and then I have right here where it takes you to my opt-in page. So I'm going to give that to you if you decide to join with me. So if you want to get started, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You just put your name and your email in there, and then I'll take you to this page right here. Make sure you watch this video, join the Facebook group, and then again, you want to make sure that you answer the 3 questions. That is going to get you into the Facebook group. Then once you get in the Facebook group, I would recommend that you watch these 3 videos right here: how to create your own wildly profitable affiliate marketing business, how I made 500K plus in my first 12 months, and how to make 250K with affiliate marketing in 2022. If you want to have massive success this year and can commit to 6 to 12 months, your life can be absolutely transformed in so many ways. You're no different than any of these people who have applied what they've learned, and these people are from all walks of life, so I promise you can do this. So just click the first link in the description below this video, and I look forward to working with you and seeing you in the Facebook group.